Welcome back guys, this is Nikhil and today's topic is Introduction to Python 3. So what is Python? Python is a general purpose high level programming language which was developed by Guido van Rossum in the year 1991. Why Python is famous? The first reason why Python is much popular because it is highly productive than C++ and Java. It has simple programming syntax and also Python code can be easily read. It has a basic English like commands that make coding in Python a lot easier and efficient when compared to other programming languages. Let us see through an example by printing a single line statement. The left side code which is written in Java prints hello world and the right side code which is written in Python also prints hello world. But when compared, Java has more lines of code than Python. So now we can say Python has a simple programming syntax. Python uses. Let us see what we can do using Python. We can create websites using web frameworks like Django, Flask, CherryPy, Web2Py. But among all of them, Django is the topmost used web framework to develop Python websites. Even NASA, Reddit, and YouTube also uses Django web frameworks. We can also create desktop applications using TK, Inter, or Kiwi. Python is also used in game development using Pygame module. It is also used for web scraping. And the last thing is why Python is so famous is it is also used in machine learning, artificial intelligence, and data science fields. So that's it for the video, guys.
I'm in love with the cocoa.